Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making some spaghetti with mincemeat. Now my family loves mincemeat. I'm not a fan of it, but I put together a really amazing recipe for you all. So let's jump straight into this one. Let me show you how easy it is to make. We're going to place a pot over medium heat, and to that we're going to add in our oil. Next, we're going to go in with aromatics. So I have pimento peppers and onions, finely chopped or diced. We're going to season with some salt, and we're going to sweat these until they're tender. If you can't find pimento peppers, you can always use a red jalapeno. Once it's nice and tender, go in with your minced meat of choice. And we're just going to use a potato masher and mash up the mincemeat just to help crumble it. We don't want it to be really chunky. Now you'll notice I didn't add any garlic to this, and I'll show you why as we move along with the recipe. So I'm just switching to my spoon, and I'm going to allow this to cook until the mincemeat starts to get brown. After which we'll add in some more aromatics. So we're going in with sweet peppers and scallions and or celery chopped, because scallion is saif in Trinidad. I'm going to go in with some tomato paste. In goes some sriracha. Now this is really important. The sriracha does add so much flavor to this. And I'm going in with some garlic chili paste called sambal olik. So that's our garlic element there. So you want to give everything a mix and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes on that medium-low heat. All of those flavors are going to infuse into the meat. And you see how it starts to look, and your veggies will start getting tender at this point. Now we're going to go in with one ripe tomato chopped and a few olives chopped. You want to add those in just before you add in your spaghetti. So let that cook out for like about a minute. And you see how beautiful that mincemeat looks. It has absorbed all of those flavors that we added to it. Now I'm going to go in with a Trini staple, some Trini green seasoning. The recipe can be found in the description box. We're just going to use a basic green seasoning in here and give that a mix. Now we're going to go in with our spaghetti. I like using tin spaghetti for this. You can use regular spaghetti, you can use fettuccine. Feel free to use whatever cut of pasta you want also. It doesn't have to be spaghetti. So give that a good mix. You want to mix it in really well. And when you're using or boiling your spaghetti, boil it shy of done, because it will continue to cook when you add it to the mincemeat. And you don't want your spaghetti or your pasta to be mushy. So you're going to mix that really well, and you want to taste for salt. Now I needed a little more salt, but I'm not going to add salt. I'm going to add in some complete seasoning. This is just going to add some more flavor to this recipe. So you add that in and then give it a good mix. And once you've mixed it in, it's now ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Try it. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like what you see on my channel, I hope you subscribe. Bye everyone.